Are you struggling to stay organized? Today we're comparing two powerful productivity tools, XTiles and Mem AI. Which one will boost your workflow? Let's find out. When you look at who they are best for, or let's say what they are best for, XTiles is best for visual thinking and note-taking in boards and tables, while Mem AI is best for AI-powered knowledge management and quick let's say search. Quick search. When it comes to organizations, XTiles has a drag and drop board and flexible layout, while Mem AI has automatic linking and smart folders. When it comes to AI features, XTiles has minimal AI because it's focused on structure, while Mem AI has smart search, auto tagging, and AI summaries. When it comes to collaboration, XTiles has real-time sharing, while Mem AI has team workspaces. When we look at their pricing, XTiles has free plan plus paid $8 per month plan, while Mem AI has free plan plus paid plan that costs about $10 per month. When it comes to integrations, XTiles has Google Drive, as it integrates with Google Drive and Slack, while Mem AI integrates with Slack, Zoom, and Notion. When it comes to mobile app, they both have mobile apps, but XTiles has for iOS devices and Android devices, while Mem AI has for only iOS devices. When it comes to their learning curve, XTiles is easy for visual users, while Mem AI is slightly steeper because of its AI features. And lastly, we look at their best perks. So XTiles is like Notion but simpler, while Mem AI is your second brain with AI. So if you love visuals, XTiles is your go-to. But if you want AI to organize your thoughts, Mem AI wins. Which one are you going to pick? Drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech showdowns.